So being here in hot Houston, we had to address wanting to do a covered area for our kitchen, but doing a covered area for your kitchen really means that you have to address certain things like ventilation. Of course, we have a fan that's meant to just make this a more pleasant environment, blow some of that out, but we also have a full hood from Wolf that basically draws all of the smoke from our Wolf grill to the exterior, so it keeps this environment as kind of smoke-free as possible. So that's one thing that we did.
Mm-hmm. And it's so important. A lot of people think it may not be necessary.
Yeah, they're like, we're outside, we don't need ventilation.
Right.
You most definitely
You do. You throw the 80-20 chuck burgers on there, it is a
Smoke fest.
It is, yes.
Yeah, I try to stress with clients all the time as we do want to be outdoors, but we've got to do all the things necessary to make it as pleasant as possible.